Hey everyone, this is Lab Project 5. Let's go ahead and get started for our sales tax class. Okay, so I've already started a new class here called sales tax. So, a second here. So this isn't going to be called our main method, like public static void main. That's not what we're going to do today. Instead, we'll do public. Actually, this is going to be for our instance variables. So, go ahead and leave a comment. Private double state tax. Private double. We're going to have 4 instance variables here. The local we're going to have this. I'm going to call this guy price item. That's going to be important because that guy's going to be fluctuating here and there between the classes here and then our other class window that we'll have. So we'll have private total cost and private 5 total and tax. Okay. Now we have to make a constructor, so let's put a little comment. So we're going to do public state sales tax. Okay. Double state tax rate, double local tax rate. Okay, and we have to open this up and close it. All right, so we're going to use the this function, and what this does is allows us to have these variables here, ensuring that if they stay, we have local variables which are going to be here. So we don't want basically the software to get confused. We want them to say, hey, they can be 2 different things. So this is basically separating these variables from the same name as these variables up here. So time for the local tax rate. Local tax rate. Okay, good. And this is closed out. So we're going to move on. Here we're going to do public void calculate total tax. You get double for price. I'm sorry. This would be a new variable we're declaring. Double item price. So it'll keep it updated. I'll show you what we're going to do here. So do price item equals price item plus item price. Let's go ahead and update this guy. We'll come down to total tax equals price item. This is going to keep everything nice and updated for us in terms of the different pricing when it needs to be updated. So we'll do plus, nope, it needs to be times remember we have to do the this function, so it's this state tax rate plus this local tax rate. Okay. And we need to close these brackets out. Okay, so come down here to public. So for our total tax, now we need to do for our total cost. A little bit simpler. So do cal total cost. Don't really need anything in those parentheses, but we do need stuff in our brackets. Let's come here and we're going to go total cost equals price item plus total tax. Make sure everything looks okay here. Capitalize that. Okay, I think everything looks okay there. Okay. Yeah, that all looks okay. So now we need to declare a new variable. Okay. I'm not going to do a void here because it actually does, we're just asking it to return a value. Right, let's close out this bracket, and then one more. Return total. All right. Close out this bracket. I think this one's okay. Close it out. Let's see what happens. Okay, as you can see here, no errors so far, so let's compile. It compiles, awesome. So now, what we need to do, we need to make us a new class. We're going to call this sales tax test. This way it's going to include the private implementation from the sales tax here class into this new guy. So let's open our editor up. Okay, let's get rid of all this. Okay, so we're going to do public static void main. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. So the first thing we need to do do the state sales tax. I'm going to do tax YY equals new sales tax. I'm going to do for state and local. Okay, so we close that out. Now we have to declare double price item. This time we have to actually assign a value. So for this one, we're going to say it's 100. Okay. Do tax y dot calc total tax price. That looks okay. Same thing for total cost. I don't need anything in parentheses here. Let's come down. Let's make us some statements. We're going to say the expected sales tax is $10. Okay. We'll do the same thing for total cost. Expected total cost is $110. That's right. Okay. Need to put here. So let's do this. Let's say system out.print original cost. All right. And I need to do a print. I need to do print line. Okay. System.out. Sales tax. In and this is going to help us pull in the actual sales tax for the total. This to be for okay, yep. Now we'll do the same thing for total cost. Total cost in dollars. Tax y dot get total cost. Okay, that looks good. Let's close it out and see what happens. So far, no errors. Nope. Here, didn't capitalize my YY. Okay, let's close it out again. Now let's see. Everything did what it's supposed to do. Let's run it. And that looks good. So we have the expected line with $10, sales tax total cost 110, original cost was 100, sales tax in dollars 10, total cost in dollars 110. So that one worked well. So we need to do this for $50. So what I like to do is add another entire class. So we'll call this one sales tax demo. Okay, and this one should connect all three. All three should be sort of intertwined, or at least take the private instance variables. Let's do public static. I need to switch my window. Sorry. Okay. So here, just got rid of all the extra junk that we don't need. Basically, we're going to do almost the exact same thing. This should be for good practice. So sales tax ZZ equals new sales tax. All right. We'll do the same thing. We have to use our price item. This time it will be for $50. Okay. ZZ total tax price item. Okay. Spelling correct. Tax ZZ dot help total cost. Right. So we need to print out some lines here. System dot out print line expected sales tax is $5. Print line again. Is $5. Okay. Do sort of the same thing we did earlier. So do print sales tax in dollars. Tax get sales tax. Okay, we'll do total cost in dollars. X TZ get total cost. Then close this guy out. All right, now let's see if this one runs correctly. I believe it should. Close him and switch to we do have an error. Okay. It's just a spacing issue. Let's see. Yeah, it's just simple stuff. All right, it compiles. Let's see if it's going to run. Okay. And here we have, yeah, everything we need. Let me add one more line, because then we have to put the original price. Let's get back in here. Okay, $6. Yeah, so let's do. Original is $50, so before tax. That. Make sure all bases are covered. So here, compile again. Compiles. Original price is $50 before tax is added. And here we go. So that was my method of doing it, is to add another class window, just so we can see that they're all connected, since we were introduced to having a private class, which is our sales tax. And then with all of our instance variables, they can feed into sales tax test and sales tax demo equally. I just found it a little bit easier to do that. Let me get out of here. Also, it is October 3rd, 2017. And yeah, that's my Project 5.